Hey Bailey,
Hi.
what'd you do today?
Cut your hair.
Okay, Kenny, can you show?
No, this is the hair she got. And if you see the hair real closely, you can see a hair tie on it. And I think she was trying to get the hair tie off by accidentally cutting her hair, so.
So Bailey, you cut your hair today?
Yes. So it can be so fluffy.
So it can be so fluffy? Do you want your hair shaved? Do you want me to shave your hair off? No? Do you want me to cut it really short like Daddy's hair?
Or do you want it to be like Brooklyn's hair instead? Like your hair. Like my hair.
You want your hair to be long, you can't cut it, okay? Are you gonna cut your hair again? No, say it.
No,
Say, I'm not going to cut my hair
I'm not going to cut my hair
anymore.
anymore. Okay, bye.